Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable dark mode in Canva. If you often design late at night or just prefer a sleek, dark interface, this feature is going to make your Canva experience so much more comfortable. So stick with me till the end, because I'll also show you how to easily switch back to light mode whenever you want. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Whether you're using Canva on desktop or in your browser, the process is the same. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings button. Click on it to open up your Canva customization options. Now that you're inside the settings panel, look for the section called accessibility. This area is designed to help users personalize their Canva experience, from interface visibility to design comfort. Inside the accessibility menu, you'll find a few different features, and among them is the one we're looking for, the dark mode option. Turning on dark mode. To enable it, simply click on dark, and instantly Canva will switch from its usual bright white background to a sleek, dark interface. You'll notice the dashboard, toolbar, and side menus all transform, making the workspace easier on your eyes, especially if you're designing late at night or working in a low light environment. This small tweak can make a huge difference in reducing glare and boosting focus during long creative sessions. Switching back to light mode, and if you ever want to go back to the classic look, it's just as simple. Return to the same accessibility menu and select light. Canva will instantly revert to its default bright mode. Canva might also introduce new customization options in future updates, like scheduling dark mode or syncing it with your device theme. So keep an eye out for that. And that's it. That's how you can enable dark mode in Canva in just a few clicks. It's clean, modern, and perfect for anyone who spends long hours designing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, and drop a comment below letting me know what feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.